Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another 8 at 8 Lots box. Paid $99 for this one, so a little more than I normally buy for a case from 8 at 8 Lots. This is a home decor box. If you're interested in 8 at 8 Lots, you can always check the links in the description. Every time I open a box, I always put where I got it from down in the description of the video. So check that out. If you live overseas, there's some sister companies listed there too. But let's see what's inside home boxes. They always have interesting, cool stuff.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
So I did want to let you know that we will be pricing everything in this box at the very end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in anything, you can always shoot me an email at hookedonpickin.com. Go to the contact me section, and you can shoot me a message and say, hey, at timestamp, 7:52, I love that thing. Can I buy that from you right now? Because some things I list on the store, and some things I just take emails for. So,
how much did you pay for the box?
I paid $99 for this box, and it has home items in it, and we're going to see exactly what it is. So here is a furniture protector for armchairs. So it looks like it's blue on one side and tan on the other, so it's kind of reversible. That's nice. This is luxury bed skirts for a queen or king size bed. Looks like we got two green ones. Then we have, let's see, this is a Mash Armstrong water absorption cleaning rag, 20 cleaning rags. I think I might open this just to see what it looks like, because I'm curious what kind of cleaning rags. Oh, they're the microfiber kind of thingy. I think I'm saying that right, but they're these kind. Yeah, microfiber cleaning cloths.
Cool.
That's cool. Looks like we got another one. Just random ones. This looks like washcloths. Towel, it says. Okay, so that's not exactly the same exact one, but similar. What in the world? They're foam skulls. I found skulls in the box, folks.
You did.
That's creepy.
Cool. Do you know your Shakespeare?
No. I don't know my Shakespeare. Isn't it what, Macbeth?
Something.
I don't know.
Macbeth.
Hamlet, Macbeth, something like that. He does hold a skull and say a bunch of stuff. I was terrible in that class. It's a wonder I speak the English language the way I was in language arts and English in school, but I made it. All right, these are tablecloth clips. So they work at, clipping just about anything. So a bag of those. Then we have some more cleaning cloths. Then we have, here's another big pack of cleaning cloths, like I opened earlier. What is this? This is looks a little different than the others. Are these? They're like, you put them over your shoes. Is this how you can mop the floor with your feet?
That's right.
Let's see. 4-pack, no, it's not. It goes on a mop head. But it would be way more fun if you put it on your shoes.
You could put it on your shoes.
Put it on your shoes and walk around. I think that's what you should do with these.
That's right.
Yes. Skulls and shoe mops. That's what we got in this box. Skulls and shoe mops. Remember, we are going to price everything at the end of this video, so make sure you watch. This is a Snapware airtight small 7-cup 2-pack of containers. To me, that sounds like basically a Tupperware style of something. I want to open it to make sure it's not cracked, because most time these are plastic. So, yep. That's a nice size.
Snapware, not Tupperware.
Snapware.
It's at Costco.
There you go. Those are cool. Those will sell. All right, we have a bunch of something. Pack of 12 assorted fragrances. What? 12 packs? Well, let's see what these are, since we have so many boxes of them. Is there a barcode on it? There is. Let's see if we can, without opening it, just see if we can't scan it and find out what they are. Fragrances. That's interesting to me. Oh, they're incense sticks. It's a 12-pack of those incense sticks. So I think the last incense sticks we had, we actually sent into Amazon. So we may do the same with those.
Doesn't look, that's just a 1-pack, isn't it?
Yeah, 1 pack is selling for $4.49. This is a 12-pack. So we'll have to see, is there a listing for a 12-pack so I can leave them like this and just sell them at once? Or should I take them out of the box and sell them individually for more money?
Are they all the same fragrance, too?
Yeah, true. All right, so we'll have to look through that. Looks like that's all the same thing. 12 packets of them. So we'll do some investigating on Amazon and let you know. Stay tuned. We will tell you on this video. And then what is this? This sound... It's either broken or it's some sort of a chime. Let's find out. That sounds terrible. It doesn't have a name of anything on here. Oh, it is. It's some sort of a decor piece. Let's see if we can get it out of here without breaking it.
Boom!
It's like one of those candle sconces.
That's actually...
Really cool looking.
Looks like something you'd see at a boutique or...
Yeah. So we have this. I want to see what's in this.
Warehouse 300 kind of thing.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a place called Warehouse 300. You can find them on Facebook. Right here in Trenton, they sell some of the coolest stuff. I love shopping there. It's different every time you go in. Well, there's this little bubble wrap that I'm opening that came with it. I have no idea what's inside this. I'm wondering, is it like the little candles? Yeah, look, it comes with little electric... Well, it's got a little piece in there, so they still work. But if I pulled that piece out, it'd run the battery down. So it comes with basically 3 little candles that sit right on the piece.
That's cool.
Yeah, I love it. It's really pretty. It's like a chandelier meets candle wall sconce. So, and it does have the hook back here to hang it on the wall. So that's a really pretty piece. I like that. So you never know what you're going to find. You can find microfiber cleaning cloths. You can find skulls. And you can find a wall sconce all in the same box. Isn't that miraculous?
You think we got $100 there?
I hope so, because I spent $99 for the box. So we're going to price everything. We always reasonably price everything. And let's see what we come out to. All right, we got all of it priced, and actually quite a bit of it is going to go to Amazon. So let's just go through the items. We'll show you what it is going to go for and how much we're going to make. So remember, we paid $99 for the box. These 2 items, $7.50 after fees on Amazon. They're actually selling for around, I'd say, $13. Then the 6-pack of skull heads we're actually just going to sell for $5, probably on a fire sale, maybe through Hooked on Pickin. Then we've got these microfiber cleaning cloths. It's actually a 20-pack. We have 2 of them at $7.50 is what we'll make after fees on Amazon. Then we have this furniture protector, $15. We'll sell that probably on a fire sale. Then we've got the, what I called the shoe mop covers, but they're actually mop head covers, $7.50 on Amazon. Then we got some more microfiber cloths, $5 is what we'll sell those for. Then we've got a set of white cloths, $5 for that. Then we've got all of these are going to go for $6.50 on Amazon. We thought that'd be the best place, but we're going to sell them as a 12-pack. They have actually a pretty good sales rank, so a total of $65 for all of these.
It's after fees, right?
After fees, yep. Because they're actually going for about $14 or $15 a pack. So then we have the plastic containers, $5 for those. Then the tablecloth hooks, $5 for those. And then the beautiful, cute little candle sconce that's vintage looking, $20 for that. When you add everything up, it comes out to $157.50. Remember, we paid $99 for it, so we're at a total profit of $58.50, which is not real high, but the thing that I like is all of the items that are going to go to Amazon, because we've actually already printed out all the labels, and so it'll take me about 10 minutes to box it up, send it off, and then I don't have to ship it anymore. And so I'm willing to take a few less dollars per item in order to sell it on Amazon, just simply so I can have more items sell faster. So sometimes you want to just get a lot of stuff moving out the door and you don't want to be the one storing it. So it's worth it to do that. So we're at total from this box, $157.50 is what all the sales will come to. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey guys, what am I always standing in front of? Well, all the items that are always for sale on Hooked on Pickin. So we've got some little arrows throwing knives, we've got badge holders, we've got pH testers, you name it, it's on Hooked on Pickin. So if you're looking for some interesting stuff, go to hookedonpickin.com. If you're interested in reselling yourself, I have tons of reseller resources, so check those out as well.